Yeah.
The unrest that then descends on our country itself was a hugely humiliating process or event. Humiliating because our people, as we said, poor as they are, the instigators want to exploit their vulnerabilities. They then go and open up all these stores. And our people, because they are vulnerable, they are poor, then throng to these stores. And that in itself manifests itself in their humiliation. So they participate in their own humiliation because they cannot help it, because they are caught up in this maelstrom of poverty and inequality. For the state itself, I have to admit that, yes, I found it humiliating that this South Africa, which is characterized as a middle-income country, could be subjected to the type of unrest where poor people were thronging to the stores looking for food, looking for whatever goods they could get. So that too was an act of humiliation for us. And I kept wondering, how do I go to Addis Ababa and hold my head up as the head of state of South Africa when we've just been through an event like this? So to me, as President of the Republic, I found that humiliating. So you are absolutely correct. What we went through in July was humiliating on many fronts. It was not only humiliating, and I would say hugely humiliating to the ordinary people in our country who were, by force of circumstance, compelled to get in and participate in all this. It was humiliating to us as leaders of the government, but as a country as well.
Acted consistently with your duty in terms of Section 181 of the Constitution to assist the Commission.
The fundamental cause of the unrest was a deliberate decision by certain individuals to instigate, coordinate, and incite widespread destruction of property, violence, and looting. The identity of these individuals and the motives for their actions are the subject of ongoing investigations and legal proceedings. It was an attempted insurrection. That economic infrastructure was targeted in the manner that it was, shows clearly that the intention was to bring our economy to its knees and thereby destabilize our economy and democracy. Regardless of their intent, it was a situation for which we were ill prepared, and in fact, we were not prepared for. While there had been intelligence reports about the possibility of instability, neither the security forces nor the government more broadly anticipated the nature, the extent, and the ferocity of these events. This was a failing that we acknowledge and which we are hard at work to address.